subscribe.
Aerial journey, natural exploration. Once upon a time, in a little village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. Lily loved nothing more than exploring the wonders of nature around her. One sunny morning, while chasing butterflies in the meadow, Lily spotted a group of birds soaring high above the trees. "Wow! Look at them fly!" exclaimed Lily, her eyes sparkling with wonder. Intrigued by the graceful birds, Lily decided to learn more about them. She rushed home and grabbed her trusty binoculars and a notebook, ready for an adventure. With a determined stride, Lily set off towards the forest. Deep in the woods, Lily stumbled upon a team of scientists conducting an aerial survey. They were using drones to map the land and study the habitats of the creatures below. "Hello there. What are you doing?" Lily asked, her curiosity piqued. "We're conducting an aerial survey to learn about the animals and plants that call this forest home," explained one of the scientists, smiling warmly at Lily. Excited to help, Lily eagerly joined the scientists. Together, they flew the drones high above the treetops, capturing images of the forest below. They spotted deer grazing peacefully, rabbits hopping through the underbrush, and even a family of foxes playing near a burrow. As the sun began to set, Lily returned home, her heart filled with joy and wonder. She couldn't wait to tell her friends and family about her amazing aerial adventure and the fascinating creatures she had seen. From that day on, Lily knew that there was so much more to discover in the world around her, and she couldn't wait to explore it all. And so, with her binoculars and notebook in hand, Lily continued her adventures, one exciting discovery at a time.